Hi, this is Ken of Parallax. I'm going to show you how to add the cyberbot extension to the MakeCode block programming environment. First, open up a browser window and go to the Microsoft MakeCode website. And then when you get there, you'll see the home page. There's a login option if you want to use it. You're going to create a new project by clicking on the X, give it a name. I'm going to call mine template. And next thing, I'm going to close this little window here. I am going to add the extension for the cyberbot. Here's how you do it. You'll notice it's not there yet. You click on extensions, go up to the search window, type in cyberbot. No colon, no spaces. Click enter, and there you are, the cyberbot MakeCode extension. Once you add it, you'll see that the cyberbot appears in the menu, and you have access to everything you'll need to do the new block code programming tutorials. Pretty exciting. Get ready.